First of all, tell me about this announcement that you're making today and your first move into North America.
Well, I mean, before we start into North America, I think it's also important to highlight our first entry into the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as well. Yesterday, it was announced that we got awarded the largest renewable energy wind farm in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and this is our first move into the kingdom. And we look forward for future projects in Saudi, as well as, you know, we are a growing company, so we are assessing opportunities, and we have highlighting over the past, 12 months that we are reviewing opportunities worldwide, particularly in the Americas and in the Asia. And I'm delighted to say, yes, we are going to transact today our first move into North America, into wind, 2 projects or 2 wind farms, one in Texas and one in New Mexico. And this would be the start, obviously, into a new geography for us, which is the US, which is a very important market, not only for MASDAR, but for the renewable energy world. And we are really excited and happy with this move.
Can you tell me what the dollar value of the deal is?
The dollar value of the deal, obviously, it's in hundreds of millions of US. I cannot specifically comment on the exact amount, but it is north of 100 million for sure.
And what type of impact do you expect this investment to have in North America? Because if you look at the policy of the United States, it would seem that the US President Donald Trump is not necessarily focusing on renewables right now. He's more about coal, isn't he?
Well, from our perspective as MASDAR, and I think from the perspective of our peers, in the investment world, those who invest into renewable energy or utilities, policies and policymakers are crucial for obviously the advancement of these investments. But what we have realized over the past couple of years, that regardless of what you hear, about pro-renewables or against renewables, what we see in the US, for example, is high double-digit growth in the adaptation of renewable energy. And this is not special for the US. We see the double-digit growth across the world of the adaptation of this renewable energy. So yes, obviously, policymakers and politicians are important for the advancement of capital flow in certain segments or sectors. But regardless of this, we see the US as still a growth market for renewable energy. We are happy to enter the US today, and we will continue in pursuing further opportunities in the US for sure.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.